Hey, how's it going? So today I'm gonna make a video about bird feeders. That's a little strange. Bird feeders, huh? What could a bird feeder ever have to do with gardening? How could it affect gardening or growing plants? I'll tell you. So what we've got here is a mixture of different types of grains or seeds. You know, it looks like potentially some millet, some corn, sunflower seeds, and some other things. So what I want to kind of focus on in here are actually the sunflower seeds themselves. I'm going to explain what's going on here. So as we all may know, sunflowers are an excellent source of protein, really good food for you there, but in the shell of the seed itself is something known as an allelopathic compound. So an allelopathic compound is a hormone that a plant or tree releases in order to regulate growth. In this case with the sunflower, and also with a walnut, I'll use as another example, this is a growth inhibitor. It's essentially a natural herbicide, and it will stop plants from growing, or a variety of plants, a lot of plants that could potentially be competition. So it's very interesting actually. And oftentimes you'll see that people will have a bird feeder above their grass or plants that they are growing. And I picked them out, but I did have some sunflower seeds. You can see them here laying in with my plants. And what will happen is through rain and whatnot, the allelopathic compound will leach off of the seed into the soil and eventually kill the plants. This explains why you may see dead patches of grass around your bird feeder or underneath, and it's not from the bird droppings. It is actually more than likely from the sunflower seeds. So not only do these seeds and nuts affect plants while they are off the tree, but while they're growing, it serves its purpose as well. So companion planting is something to really pay attention to. And if you're wanting to grow tomatoes, you probably would not want to do that right next to sunflowers or right underneath a walnut tree for a number of reasons. Another really interesting thing about walnuts is that in the outer hull there's a really strong and powerful potent dye that is even used as a paint. You can make a natural herbicide or weed killer by taking the outer hulls of a walnut and soaking that in water for quite some time. I imagine you probably could do it with sunflower seeds as well. I just don't know if there's any research backing that, but it's a really interesting kind of phenomenon that's going on here, and this could be affecting you, your grass, your garden. So kind of do some research, and if you are going to be dealing with sunflowers in any sort of way, just pay attention and know that, you know, there is an allelopathic compound. There's something that helps those flowers get so large and produce those highly nutritious seeds. All right, I hope this helped you figure something out. See you later.